We recently stayed at the Boardwalk Inn and decided to give their club level floor, the Innkeepers Club, a try. This is a tour of one of the club level rooms, which is pretty much the same as the standard room, but the difference is that with this, you get access to the club level lounge. The room that we stayed in was 4235, which was a perfect room for two reasons. One is that it was right across the hall from the club lounge, and two was that it had a water view. Like I mentioned before, these rooms are just like the standard rooms, so there really isn't anything that's too spectacular about them. It's really more about the access to the lounge and the cast members who assist guests that are staying at the Innkeepers Club. The rooms did include coffee makers and refrigerators, which was great for storing snacks and drinks. I did want to mention that microwaves are available by request if that's something that you need during your stay. Our room featured two queen-size beds and a pull-out couch, which we actually never used. So technically these rooms could sleep up to 5 people. We appreciated having the couch in the room because it was nice in case we wanted to have a bite to eat without having to sit on the bed to do that. If you brought work along with you, there was a small desk provided in the room. Our favorite part about this room was definitely the boardwalk and water view, which we weren't really able to enjoy so much during the day due to the heat, but we were definitely able to enjoy this at night, and we enjoyed doing that every night during our stay. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable, please go ahead and give it a like and hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every Sunday and have many more trips that we're really excited to share with you.